Let's see how to group elements together in Wix. If you want to move or edit multiple elements as a single unit, follow this simple step. First, open your Wix editor and select the first element you want to group. Next, press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard while clicking on another elements you want to include. Once all desired elements are selected, click Group Elements from the floating menu or right-click and choose Group Element. Your selected item will be grouped together, making it easier to move, resize, or edit them at once. That's how to group elements together in Wix. See you soon!